I want to share something that actually just happened yesterday. I had the pleasure to talk with a brand. They are in the pet niche. And something that I'm noticing is that this is not only them, but also I spoke to a beauty brand yesterday and we were redesigning their creatives, and there was no emotion between the product itself and the target audience, And I was giving it a thought and more thought today. And I realized that most brands that we are talking to nowadays, it's not anymore a problem of they don't understand that they should be advertising or they should increase their advertising budget rather than they have a gap. It's a gap between understanding that whatever we are creating, generating, wherever we are bringing that traffic, must convert. And if it's not converting, no matter how well are we targeting our ads and our audience and how dialed in are we in targeting the correct keywords, it's not going to convert, or it's going to convert way worse than it would if you're clicking with your audience. And why am I saying this is because especially in niches where you have to make a connection with your audience, or you could make a connection with your audience, your ICP, very easily, but you are neglecting it, or you're just putting it up for the next quarter, or no, it's fine, I have the same stuff on my website. Why are you not using it for your Amazon ads that you're running? And trust me, these are things that we are hearing them on a daily basis, and we have discussions with brands, letting them know that, yes, it might be working for your brand on your website, but Amazon really, it's really a prerequisite, not anymore just an optional, to have really good creatives in place, because that is something that is going to help us also on the advertising end. Now, I was just sharing with you these few thoughts. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? How do you see them? And most importantly, if you're running ads on your end, what do you see on your end? I'm very curious because, again, if I would have this conversation 5 years ago with a brand, probably I would have told them, yeah, we are just running ads, we're just driving traffic to our listing and people are just going to naturally buy your product. It's not anymore the case, and advertising is becoming way and way more expensive than it was last year, than it was 2 months ago, than it was, a month ago. So that's why I'm saying that the competitive advantage right now, it's not anymore that you're going to update creatives to really resonate with your audience that you're selling to, but that is a must. That is something that already brands who have been established and in the market for years, they understand. It's marketing, and that's why it's really important for you to understand that it's a marketing psychology behind it. It's not anymore, we are just running ads, we're just running traffic. Is, do we make sure that whoever was redirected to check out your product, are they going to convert or not?